Hi, this is Attorney Doug Jones. Thanks for joining me today with Elder Law in 5 minutes. Today we're going to be talking about today's newsletter, which is staying out of the nursing home plan. By the way, if you don't get our newsletter, go to elp.legal. You can sign up for free. It's delivered to your inbox every week. And we talk about topics like this. Well, today it's staying out of the nursing home plan, which is exactly what a lot of people want should they become incapacitated in the future. Things like this usually don't happen by accident. Your odds of being able to, in fact, stay out of the nursing home is exponentially greater if you've thought about it, talked to your family about it, created a plan to make that happen, complete with how this is going to be paid for in the future. So a lot of things to think about. You know, with Alzheimer's, it seems like it's increasing. You know, the Alzheimer's Association on its facts and figures page, and it may be higher than this now, but the last time I looked at it said there's like 6 million Americans have Alzheimer's, and the number is expected to more than double in the next few years. Goodness. So it means we've got an excellent chance of getting Alzheimer's and may need some sort of long-term care or at least some sort of assistance in the future. So the key is for us to create a plan that where we say what we want, you know, some of the more important things, such as who, what, where, when, how and why, you know, like where would you want to receive care in the future? Like if you decline just a little, most people say, I'd want to be at home. You know, I want to remain at home. Well, yeah, you want to be at home, but if you have Alzheimer's and maybe at early stages you can be at home, but it advances a little, can you be at home safely? Would you need care at home? How would this care be paid? Are family members available? Would you need to bring in non-medical caregivers? All of these things need to be considered, thought about, planned for in advance. How would this care be funded? You know, private pay, government assistance, family assistance, you know, things to think about in advance. Who would be authorized to make decisions on your behalf? We see people say, well, my kids know what I want. Well, you know, but have you authorized them to make decisions on your behalf? Is there a power of attorney where you say, I want this one? Have you talked to them about it? Do they even know? Do they know what you want? When would you want to receive that type of care? I mean, do you want caregivers coming in, or do you want to go straight to an assisted living facility at first sign of a decline, or would you want it later? What type of care would you want? Again, do you want care at home? Do you want to be in a private facility? Now they've got private nursing facilities with this like 3 or 4 or 5 residents in the whole facility. Would you want to be in a skilled care facility or an assisted living facility or an independent living facility with caregivers coming in? A lot of options available now. You just need to check out what's available in your area. Let's talk about the at-home spouse just a minute. A lot of times people are so focused on the one going to the nursing home that they may not think about the one at home. You know, they're thinking about what we refer to in a nursing home setting as the institutionalized spouse. We forget about, you know, dad or mom back home because, you know, they're getting around okay. They're declining. Maybe they got heart issues, but they're getting around okay. So they may even err on spending all of the money down for the one receiving care, you know, in an assisted living or a nursing home, leaving the one at home destitute. What happens when they need care? You know, a lot of times care at home can be more expensive than care in a facility. So it's important to help the one at home save as much money as possible. And a lot of times this is possible with a little bit of appropriate planning. So it's important to coordinate legal planning, financial planning, make sure they work together. We see in so many situations, you know, people meet with their financial advisor over here, they meet with a lawyer over here. These two professionals don't even know that each other exists. They don't talk to each other because they don't even know they exist. The family doesn't try to get them together or have a coordinated plan. This is very important to get all of your professionals together, have a coordinated plan to make sure it works best for you in your situation. So you're more likely to have the plan you want in the future if you start the planning process now. If you do want to stay out of the nursing home in the event that you decline in health in the future, we call it just a stay out of the nursing home plan. You know, Other law firms might call it something else. If there's Alzheimer's involved, it may just be a full-on Alzheimer's plan, to do everything we can. If the person's already lost capacity, they may not be able to sign legal documents, but there's many planning things that need to be done, like we've discussed today, to make sure that they get the care they need and a plan they need for care now and in the future that works best for them and works best for their family in the future. And obviously this is an approach that would require you to visit with your doctor, your financial advisor, your CPA, your attorney, and get all of the information relevant and necessary to pulling all of this together to get the best plan possible for your loved one. Well, thank you for watching today. Hope this helped. Hope you start your planning process right away. If you live in Arkansas and we can help, call us at 501-843-9014 or visit our website at arkelderlaw.com. And if you're watching this on our YouTube page, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when we do another video, which is quite often. And type in any comments. We love to hear what you've got to say. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.